How would you like to model using the microstrand invention for making your hair fuller? If you are comfortable modeling the microstrand invention, making your hair fuller, you will receive 25% off. Now you do have to qualify. Here's what I mean. At times, we need models/clients that have long hair. Other times we need them with mid-length hair, like shoulder-length hair. Other times we need models with short hair. Other times we need models with very short hair. Sometimes we want models with a lot of full hair, and sometimes we need models with just slight fill-in, a very subtle fill-in. So at different times we need different types of models with different even hair textures also, just to show variety, okay? So if you're interested, then contact us. If you receive this video, it means that there's only 2 days left to apply for the modeling option using the microstrand invention and getting 25% off. Thank you.